Hello everyone, if you're trying to extract any file and you keep getting this error 0x80004005 unspecified error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on your computer easily. So this error occurs when there's a permissions or rights problems with your user. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for either WinRAR or pzip, and then you're going to go ahead and download WinRAR or pzip. And once you download it, you're going to go ahead and extract the folder using this software. And once you do that, then you'll be able to extract it correctly and you will not get that error anymore. So I'll show you. I already have WinRAR downloaded on my computer. I'm going to go ahead and try to extract anything. So I'm going to extract this folder or this one, and you'll see that it will extract correctly. I will not get that error anymore. Extract here, and here it is. As you can see, the file just got extracted. I didn't get any error. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.